Hello everyone. Today's video is going to go over a more complicated Active Directory hierarchy for the support. At the root of the Active Directory here, there's test118.gladinet.com, and then under it there are two subdomains. One is americas.test118, the other one is emea.test118. And there's also a subdomain under Americas, which is FL, represents Florida. So as you can see here, you can see the parent relationship, trust relationship between the domains. And there's Americas, there's test118, and there's a fl.americas.test118. And you can see here, here's the Active Directory setup. So now with that said, let's go over to the Active Directory integration part. So for the domain controller, we are setting to 2.1201, which is pointing to americas.test118.gladinet.com. So that's the IP address for the Americas domain. And I'm using an administrator here, so it needs to have enough privilege to enumerate the domains. So you just use the username password and then enable the root of the AD forest. So you can see the check box there. So it's applied successfully. So now go back to the user manager, and now let's do an import users from Active Directory. So as you can see here, even though we are pointing to the middle at the Americas, it finds all the parent domain, the sibling domain, and also the child domain. So now we do a quick browse over the Americas domain, and every organization unit shows up, so you can see it's working. So we are also trying to browse into the child domain, which is fl.americas.test118, and you can see all the full names are prefixed with FL, so that shows that all the teams groups are from and organization units are from the fl.americas.test118 domain. So just browse up and down a little bit to see it's working here and finding all the users and organizational units in the domain here. So what we are seeing here is we set and point the Active Directory to americas.test118, and we can find both users in the Americas domain and also its child domain fl.americas.test118. So now we are adding the users. So the users has been added to the system here. So we will be logging off and try to log the user in and see how it works. So now we will be logging in the user we just find from the FL child domain. So now let's sign in, and there you go. So the user can sign in. So everything is working. So that's good. So thanks everyone.